from Myanmar are in camps in Cox's Bazar after fleeing military-backed persecution in their home country. Former UN Secretary General Ban Ki-moon said Wednesday he's concerned that monsoon floods could threaten the lives of Rohingya refugees in sprawling camps in Bangladesh.
I am deeply saddened and dismayed by what I have seen here. More than 1.1 million Rohingya refugees are settled here. The way, the conditions under which they are living is very poor and very sad. There should be no discrimination whatsoever, particularly based on ethnicities.
Thousands of families living in the refugee camps in Bangladesh communities in surrounding villages are at risk from flooding and landslides caused by the recent rainfall. One 7-year-old boy drowned following heavy rains and 2 children were injured. The situation is particularly grim in the camps, though many of the more than 4,000 families affected have been relocated.